black beans, and avocado. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are featuring the two and cooking our black beans and avocado tacos. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Drain and rinse black beans. Place 3/4 of the beans into a microwave-safe bowl. Smash black beans with a fork or a potato masher. Add taco seasoning, salt and pepper. Thoroughly combine and pour in the remaining black beans. Combine again. Microwave for 1 minute. Take a second to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other easy recipes. Also, subscribe and click on notifications so you know when we release new recipes. Slice lime. Squeeze lime juice into the beans and combine. It's time to put the tacos together. For each tortilla, spread black beans onto half of the tortilla. Add mashed avocado to the other half. What would you add to these veggie tacos? Let us know. Comment below the video. Top with your choice of cheese. Freshly chopped cilantro. And pickled jalapeno peppers. Over medium-low heat, spray a skillet with nonstick spray and coat it with olive oil. Place one of the tortillas into the skillet. Cook until the cheese starts melting, around 2 minutes. Fold tortilla into the shape of a taco. Cook until toasted and flip. Toast the other side and remove from the skillet. Repeat for each tortilla. Wipe the skillet with a paper towel before cooking each taco. If you are enjoying this meatless taco recipe, like and share it. Also subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. It's time to eat. But first, serve tacos with fresh salsa. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.